Starting a Tesla in 2025 is completely keyless and centered around the Tesla app. To unlock your vehicle, use the Tesla app on your phone via Bluetooth or cellular connection. Alternatively, you can use a key card by simply tapping it twice on the driver's side door handle. A third option is the key fob, which you can use just like a traditional key for unlocking. With the latest firmware version 13.x, remote unlocks through the app require approval for enhanced security. Once unlocked, enter the vehicle, sit in the driver's seat, and firmly press the brake pedal to power on. This activates all vehicle systems, including the touchscreen and battery power. There's no traditional ignition key. The car draws power from its 12-volt auxiliary battery or main battery pack. Important safety feature: the car won't power on if doors are open or if the driver isn't seated with a seatbelt fastened. Note that cold weather can slow startup times. Battery preconditioning through the Tesla app is recommended in such conditions. To shift gears in your Tesla, use the touchscreen on the center console. The display shows drive for forward movement and reverse for backing up. Tap and hold your desired option to confirm the shift. There's no physical gear shifter in Tesla vehicles. Advanced modes like low for towing and neutral for flatbed transport are also available on the touchscreen. A key feature is Tesla's regenerative braking system, which automatically engages in drive mode. This converts kinetic energy back into battery power, improving efficiency. The autopilot system monitors all operations and can intervene if improper startup is detected, such as an unfastened seatbelt. Tesla's touchscreen interface is intuitive, reducing driver distraction compared to traditional shifters. Ensure the vehicle is fully powered on before attempting to shift gears for a smooth transition.